welcome back in polynomials. This is the ninth lecture in polynomials. Today we are dealing with exercise 3.6. Question number 1 we can complete. So, question 1 is find the factors of the following polynomials. This is the first. So, in this you just remember one trick. This 2 into 1 is 2. So 2. 2 ones are 2. Find the factors of 2 such that their subtraction is 1. Find the factors of 2, these two, do the multiplication. If here it is 1, then we will say find the factors of 1 such that their subtraction is 1. But here it is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Find the factors of 2 such that their subtraction is plus 1. So the factors of 2 are 2 is equal to 2 into 1. I want the subtraction of these two factors, and that subtraction should be plus 1. So I will do plus 2 minus 1, that is equal to plus 1. So these two factors and their subtraction is plus 1. So my work is over. So now this I will write it as 2x square. Then this factor plus 2, it has x or 2x. And this minus 1x. This. Because the middle term has x. So this I will write as 2x minus 1x is equal to plus 1x. This is my aim. So minus 1 plus 2x minus 1x. This will, if I solve, once again I will get plus 1. And then this is remaining, that I will write minus 1. That is equal to. Make the groups up to 2. So what is common in this? What is common in this? In these two, I have to find the common factor. Here 2 is there, here 2 is also there. So 2 is common. Here it is x into x. This x square is nothing but x square is equal to x into x. That means here 1x is there. Here is also x. So that x I will take. So it was x square. Out of that x is written here. So what is remaining, that I will write here. 2 is taken out. This was x square, means x into x. X is taken. So 1x will remain here. Plus. This 2 is also taken, x is also taken, so 1 is there because this is 2x into 1, so 1 will be remain. From here I will take minus 1, minus 1, 1 into 1. So here this is 1 into 1. So if I take this minus out, here remains x. Minus is taken out, so this sign will become plus. This is 1 into 1, 1 is taken, 1 will remain. See that these two brackets should be same. Always remember, if you are correct, that means these two brackets are same. Now once again, this x plus 1 here it is, x plus 1 here it is, that I will take common. So from this total group, I have taken x plus 1 out. What is remaining, that I will write in the bracket, 2x is remaining. This x plus 1 is taken, so what is remaining? Minus 1 is remaining, and these are the factors. So this way this sum is 4. So I will solve maximum of the questions from this, because this is a very important topic. Then the second one. Second one is 2m square plus 5m minus 3. Here also I will do the multiplication of these two. This and this. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now instead of 3 I will say 6. Find the factors of 6 such that their subtraction is plus 5. I have to do the subtraction. Only don't say 3. Say 6. 2 3s are 6. Find the factors of 6 such that their subtraction is plus 5. So 6 factors are 6 is equal to 6 into 1. These are the factors. Now I want to subtract, and subtraction should be plus 5m. So I will write plus 6m minus 1m, that is equal to plus 5m. So this is the correct way. So this is equal to 2m square plus 6m minus 1m, and then this minus 3. Instead of 5m, I have written 6m minus 1m. So I will make the two groups. These are the two groups. This is equal to, now this is 2. This is 2 into 3. That means 2 is common. 2 is common. In this 2 is there. In this also there is 2. Why? Because this 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. So 2 is taken. Now from the variables, m is common. Here is also m. Here is also m. M is taken. So 2 is taken. Out of m, m is taken. So m will remain. Because this m square is nothing but m into m. Plus. Now this is 3 into 2. Out of that 2 is taken. So 2, 3 are 6. 3. M is taken. Only 3 will remain. Now here minus 1 I will take out. M minus is taken. So this will become plus 3. Check the brackets. They are equal. This bracket and this bracket is equal. So that also I will take common. This is m plus 3. This is taken common. So what is remaining? 2m minus 1, that I will write in the another bracket. So hope that you have understood this. So next I will solve the remaining questions over here now. The third one. Third question, 12x square plus 61x plus 77. This is again what I have to do is 12x square plus 61x plus 77. Yeah. So I will multiply these two. So 12 into 77, that is equal to 12 7 the 84, 12 7 the 84 plus 8, 92, 924. Find the factors of 924 such that their addition is plus 61. I have to find the factors of this. So 924 I will write here. Instead of writing 924, I will just simply take this as 12 into 77. Simple way of factorization. Factors of 12. 12 means 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is nothing but 12. But this 4 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3. These are the factors of 12 into. This is 7 into 11. 11 7 is 77. So factors are over. These are the factors of 924. So out of that, how many factors I want? Only 2 factors. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 factors. I don't want those many factors. I want only 2 factors. So I will make the groups like this. Say suppose these 2 and this 1. This I have taken. This will be 7 to the 14, 14 to the 28 into these 2 are remaining. 11 3 the 33. 28 plus 33 I will see. 28 plus 33, that is equal to 61. So my purpose is over. So what I will write is 28x plus 33x. So this is equal to 12x square plus 33x, that I will take first, Anything you can take. I want the addition. Addition means both the numbers should have the same sign, plus 28x plus 77. So that is equal to. So now what I have the common, that I will search. This is 4 into 3. So 4 by 4 I can divide this. But by 4 I cannot divide this 33. So the number which is common, divisible for both of them, I will have to take. So from the numbers, if I take 3 here, by 3 I can divide this, by 3 I can divide this, that means 3 is common. Another x is also common, x. Now by 3 I am dividing this, 3 4 that 12, because this 12 is nothing but 3 into 4. Out of that 3 is taken, 4, x will remain, 1x is taken, 1x will remain, plus. Now this is 11 into 3, so 3 is taken, 3 11 the 33. Means taking common means we have to divide, plus. Here this I can divide by 7, 7 4 the 28, and this x is there, plus 7 11 the, see the brackets are equal, so that is equal to, now I will take this bracket out, plus 11. This and this bracket I have taken common. What is remaining here? 3x and here 7. So 3x plus 7. These are the factors of this. Hope that you understand. You have to revise the video many times so that you will get the perfect idea of how to do these sums. The fourth one is 3y squared minus 2y minus 1. Here also I will do the multiplication of these two. 3 into 1 is 3. Find the factors of 3 such that their subtraction is minus 2. Subtraction I have to do. So the factors of 3 are 3 is equal to 3 into 1. See the subtraction of these two, it is coming minus 2. Yes, it will be, only we have to adjust the signs. So this will be minus 3y. This will be plus 1y, and that is nothing but minus 2y. I have got this. So this is equal to 3y square minus 3y plus 1y minus 1. That is equal to. Now I will make the groups. What is common? 3 is common. 1y is also common. So here remains y. Minus this, everything is taken, so minus 1 is remaining because it is 3y into 1. Some students are writing, sir, this is taken means 0 is remaining. No, taking out means we are dividing by it. Plus here 1 is common, y minus, this is 1 into 1 means 1 will remain. So this is y minus 1, this bracket is common. So what is remaining is 3y plus 1 into another bracket. This same question is there for standard 10 next year. Only there is slight difference. Solve the following quadratic equation. That is that question. Hope that you understand this. Now, the fifth one. Let me see whether you can see the video clearly. Yes, you can. The fifth one I will take now. This I am rubbing, all the rough work I am rubbing here. The fifth one, root 3 x square plus 4x plus root 3. Once again we have to multiply this and this. So these two I will multiply. So this is root 3 into root 3, and that is equal to 3. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9, and root 9 is 3. Find the factors of 3 such that their addition is 4. This will be a very simple sum. This 3 is equal to 3 into 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3x plus 1x is equal to 4x. So this is equal to root 3 x square plus this 3x plus this 1x plus this root 3. So that is equal to, now make the two groups. What is common? This 3 is nothing but root 3 into 3. Root 3 into root 3. This way, this 3 I can take. So that means root 3 is here. So root 3 here also it is. So root 3 is taken common. X is remaining. This 3 is nothing but root 3 into root 3. Root 3 is taken. This root 3 will remain. So here x plus here root 3. Here it is x into x. X will remain. Plus here 1 and x plus root 3. See that the brackets are equal. So that is x plus root 3 into another bracket root 3x plus 1. This is the factorization of this. Now the sixth one. Sixth one is 1 upon 2 x square. 1 upon 2 x square plus minus 3x plus 4. So what we can factorize is 4 into 1 upon 2 we have to do. 4 into 1 upon 2 is 2. And then find the factors of 2 such that their addition is, that we can do. See this. 1 upon 2 into 4. 1 upon 2 into 4. That is equal to 2 1 the 2 2 the, that is equal to 2. Find the factors of 2 such that their addition is minus 3. Addition means same sign. The factors of 2 is equal to 2 into 1. I want addition. Addition means same sign. So this I will write as minus 2x and minus 1x. And that is nothing but minus 3x. So this is equal to 1 upon 2x square. This minus 2x minus 1x. Instead of writing 3x, I will write this. And plus last term is 4. Now make the two groups. So what is common? Common is 1 upon 2 because this is divisible by 2. So 1 upon 2 is common. X is also common. Here x will remain. Now I am taking 1 upon 2 as common, and after dividing this, what will happen? So it will be minus 4. Check it. If I divide this, minus 4 into 1 upon 2, that will be 2. Taking common means dividing by this. Taking common means dividing by this. So this 2 divided by this 1 upon 2. See, 2 divided by 1 upon 2, that is equal to 2 into 2 upon 1, that is equal to 4. Taking common is nothing but divide. Now from here, what I can take common? I can take minus 1 common. Here it will be x, as minus is taken, this sign will change and it will be minus 4. See that both the brackets are same. So that is equal to x minus 4 into another bracket 1 upon 2x minus 1. These are the factors of this. Hope that you have understood it well. There should be no confusion in this. All the 6 questions of this we have done. So in the next video we will see the other factorization. For this only maintain your speed. I am very upset to say that you are not maintaining your speed with me. Hardly 2-3 second less the question is remaining. That we will do in the next video. So good night till then.